Hello, Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to share with you a new online workshop. Now you're probably looking at this and thinking, okay Dawn, it's another folio. Oh no, it's not. This is a new project. This is my scrapbook folio. So this is photo folios meet scrapbooking. So yes, it's the same overall size with spine and measurements of my 12-inch folios. So they will look beautiful on a shelf together. But when we open them up, we have double layout scrapbook pages for you to add your photographs and embellishments to. This is in its raw state with just the papers on. We've got pockets that you can add more photographs. You can do hidden journaling with. Let's fold it back and open up the left hand side. So again, you've got another scrapbook layout. So you can put 3 photographs down there. You've got a nice deep pocket to add more photographs, do your journaling, anything you wish. And then we bring in the photo folio element or the interactive element where we have magnets. We've got flaps, lots of spaces to add your photographs. So whether you're doing them portrait, landscape, you have lots of space here for your photographs. You've also got large pockets for your memorabilia, leaflets, tickets, invitations, and big spaces again. So this gives you the interaction of a photo folio, but the creativity of scrapbooking. So you can bring in both elements and be really creative to make a project with everything in one place. I think I counted out that roughly you're going to put, can't even get this in, big pocket here, about 65 minimum of photographs in this one scrapbook folio. So that's a lot, but it doesn't stop there because I am going to give you a bonus project. But before I share the bonus, let me show you one with photographs in. So by changing the cardstock colour, changing your pattern paper collection, you give a totally different look. And this is the nice thing about my online workshops. You can go back and watch them as many times as you like, as often as you like. This is the nice thing about them. They all come with their PDFs, so you've got all the measurements and everything that you are going to need to create your own scrapbook folio. Everything is here. Lots of spaces to add photographs, as you can see. Landscape, portrait. We've got pockets going on, more spaces for photographs. It's all in this one project. If I flip over to the other side here as well, you can see again your scrapbooking meets your photo folio. So everything is here, everything you're going to love. So whether you're a scrapbooker or you just love creating photo folios, it is all here for you. I've done all the measurements so everything fits. It lays nicely as a finished project, perfect to store with your other photo folios or to give as gifts. But it doesn't stop there. Let me just bring these in, because I'm going to give you a bonus project as well. Oh, there's so much to share. It's unbelievable. So I'm going to give you a bonus project. Let me share the one we're going to actually make in the online workshop. So this is your bonus project. So yes, you're going to get your Scrapbook Folio online workshop, but you're getting a bonus. And the bonus is you being able to add this to your scrapbook albums. Whether you're doing a D-Ring or a post-bound album, you can have that same interaction and you can add this to your scrapbook albums. You've got that page protector there, so it's all going to sit nicely in your scrapbook album. That is the nice thing about it. And yes, I've given you both styles of those interactive pages. I'm going to show you how you can create them with single-sided papers, as I have done here, but also what about if you want to create them with double-sided papers? I'm going to do that with you as well. There's videos for both, so you can make them with double-sided papers or single-sided papers. The choice is yours. I'm also going to show you in the online workshop, even more bonus going on here, 2 ways to actually add these to your scrapbook albums. So whether you're using D-Ring, post-bound, I'm going to give you 2 different options to add these so they will stay in your albums. Everything's nice and protected, but you've got that interactivity that you can get your hands on. And then if you bring it back in with the actual ones with photographs in, look how beautiful they turn out once you add your photographs. There's lots of space for photographs, as you can see, all those pockets, but everything goes together to go in your scrapbook albums. So a cracking bonus project for you. You're just going to love it. So whether you're a scrapbooker and you want to have these to add to your albums, along with the page sketches that I'm going to be doing with you as well. We're going to be doing the page sketches in the online workshop too. So you've got all this is bonus, but the star of the show is my Scrapbook Folio. So you've got the Scrapbook Folios and the bonus project all in one online workshop. It's a fabulous project, and as you know, with my online workshop, step-by-step videos in real time. You can watch them as many times as you wish. You're going to get your PDF printouts. You're going to get your PDF printouts from my page sketches with all the measurements there. You're going to get your PDF printouts with my cutting and scoring guide. I am going to be with you every step of the way as we create this in real time. So whether you want to do it as a scrapbook folio and have that as a single project, or whether you want to bring it in and add to your scrapbook albums, the choice is entirely yours. But if I was you, I would do both, because that's what I've done. It's absolutely fabulous. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye for now.